𝗕𝗘𝗦𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗜𝗍𝗏. So, as you maybe guess, I want to make cardigan out of these wonderful flowers. But before doing so, Richard, I probably will need to segregate each one of them for different bunches of colors. Why? Because as you can see, some of them, there are too many colors, and I'm not sure I actually gonna want to put lines as I did in another example. I not quite like it, especially because one of the color, let's say white, I just make it randomly, maybe 10, 12 of them gonna be there. This one, this specific color, I took acrylic yarn, and how many grams? 100 grams here, and I make out of 3 bunches like this. So there are more this wonderful purple than the rest other purple. So there are, this purple is just one of 100 grams, this is also one of 100 grams, and you can see white in the middle, which I use basically for just the middle, and whatever left I just decide to make something like this. So it's random, it's really random. That's why I want to segregate. Is there any other colors? Just this 5, I guess. So yeah, probably just this 5, and this I use 3 bunches of 100, so 300 grams. This is 200 grams. This is random, this is just 1. So I'm gonna segregate. I definitely don't want to make them in rows. I want to make it randomly and not have random where all random is just this color, and at some point all random it's different color. So I want to spread it equally, equally random, let's say this way. Okay, so I have 2 helpers today, and probably, as you can see, they're a little bit, yeah. Each of them trying to recover it, let's say this way. If you want to see details, you can see the shots. Yeah, I actually tried multiple approaches. I wanted to make as a vest or long cardigan, but I decided to make it crop top cardigan. I hope it's gonna be enough flowers over there, but first of all, let's spread equally the colors. Let's go through. So we have segregated for different color. It's a little bit more white than I originally anticipated. Now I want to create some kind of randomness. Yeah, now I want to create some kind of randomness for for the pattern, spread it over. So I took an already existed cardigan. I'm not gonna place flowers on it. I just want to basically understood the way how I want to show them. Would it be enough flowers, or I need to add some different colors, and how are they gonna land? So this is what I want to achieve. Basically, maybe a little different cut here. We'll see how much flowers I have, what is possible to do. I'm gonna put in 2 layers, so 1 layer over another one, because we have both sides, and yeah, I just can't open cardigan. So we get them, let's do the work. I honestly can't even like this way. I know I created a system how I randomize them, so now like two the same colors are close to each other, which look actually nice. And this one, I'm still unsure will be it enough flowers, oh sorry, to make all this cardigan together, but give it some time, we will figure out. So this look much more nicer, I guess. Yeah, right now it's just one layer of our cardigan. I hope this flower is gonna be enough for the rest of cardigan. We'll see. I actually don't want to make it like super teeny tiny, if you know what I mean. It's gonna be crop top, so you can put actually some high waist jeans or high waist skirt or whatever and wear. So I hope my beloved friend gonna like it. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm excited. I honestly hate purple color. I don't know how I'm agree to make, but it's your favorite color. So I actually saw a lot of wonderful like purple colors like different shades of purple color, and I kind of enjoy them. Especially I enjoy this one. Yeah, I actually like it a lot. It's so lovely. So yeah, we'll see. I will try to make the second layer. So this is the back side. We're gonna do the front side with kind of V-shape cut in front. As well, about sleeves, I'm not quite sure that 3 flowers for one side is gonna be enough, maybe 4, but again, I'm not 100% sure how much flowers are left. Would it be enough or not? We'll see. But so far I'm enjoying the process. Just look at this. It's just gorgeous, if you know what I mean. It's just wonderful. Yeah, ideal spot. Yes, she had her spay operation. Sorry if I showed too much to you. Hello, my little girl. This definitely was filming. Yeah. The masterpiece creator. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So this is the progress so far. We put all flowers in 2 layers, as you can see. So every single one, it's like 2 layers. We have back layer is there, and we cut here. So also 2 layers for sleeves. So basically it's look good to me, right? I'm happy with pattern, how all of these flowers appeared. I'm really fascinated, to be honest. It's like, this is gorgeous, honestly. I don't even expect it's gonna be turn out like this. Also I have something left which I'm currently unsure how it happened, but I'm pretty happy with this result. Oh, my lovely creator pop up. I don't expect I'm gonna see that much purple left, which is which is kind of okay, but I thought it's gonna be exactly the same amount as that pink one. I'm not sure what's going on. I need to recalculate somehow, because I totally sure I had like a certain amount here, so I grabbed like 2-3 flowers from there, one from here, 2 from here, because I have like certain bunches of like making from 100 grams here, and I'm kindly surprised I have this amount. So definitely need to restructure it to make it like more mixed and nice, like here somehow. So we're gonna do it like out of the video. My following step gonna be, so I'm not gonna leave this stuff like this on the floor, because I have 2 fluffy one. They're definitely gonna enjoy playing with these wonderful flowers. I'm gonna remove. Now I know that it's totally gonna be enough flowers for cardigan, like crop top cardigan, let's say this way. I definitely need to make cut over there, so to make a button I want to make it like this. As well, I want to add additional flower for each row on the sleeves, because it looks teeny tiny. Also considering another stuff, that right now these flowers are laying as they are, okay, but when we start sewing them, they probably gonna be squeezed a bit, and if you now see whatever 30 centimeters, is gonna be 20 or something, so they definitely gonna be squeezed a bit. That's why just leave room for experiments. That's why I'm really happy I have left flowers, so I know what to deal with them. I also gonna spread them equally. So yeah, this is the thoughts. This is what I'm gonna do. The next part I'm gonna show how to join the flowers. Maybe it's gonna be the most exciting part so far. So see you there, and thank you for watching so far. I definitely should make a cushion out of this.